Guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today we're gonna be going out with the family.
Get mad at yourself cause you can't leave me alone. Gossip and messing, it ain't what we doing. Traveling around the world, over the phone driving tests. I get my phone when I get there. When you drunk, you tell me exactly.
So we just finished driving. I think it was an hour and 40 minutes. And this is the outfit. The little leg warmer, super cute. Me and Papa. With the Uggs. And Mama! I got them both. They're little pairs.
Thank you.
And that's the spot we're gonna be going to. Okay, I was too hungry. Well, not me. We were hungry, and I forgot to take a picture of the mozzarella sticks, but I will get the pipe. I took a bite. But they got meat lovers, half cheese, and then small little pizza. Buen provecho. Hey guys, so we just finished eating, and we're gonna go ahead and go to the anime store. Alright guys, I'm here. My brother literally gave me a sweater and I'm freezing, but we're gonna go find the anime store and go inside. I'm literally freezing. Look at my nose. Yeah, bye. My dad just opened the door for like 50 people. Thank you. Heaven.
Luffy solos. He really does though. You think about it. No, he don't. Here, five Luffy, he does.
They have Panda.
Yeah, that's fun. That's one of yours.
My what? Oh, my boy, I know. Oh, is there any My Hero? We over here asking for My Hero always. Wait, there's no My Hero? Really? Oh, this is like the actual ones where they open the other way. My Hero section. I don't have Deku yet. I don't know where I could put like a cute keychain like this though. Oh my gosh, wait a second. Wait a second. A blind box. We're gonna get the few. It's two, but I want to get the ones in the back. Where is the fall? Wait, but there's a difference. Oh, that one has. But this one has the Himiko Towa. Do we get one in one? Or I'll get one of these. I'll get one of these as well. Actually, let me grab the one in the back. We'll grab all of this one. Cool. Well, if I had places to put like that, I would definitely be getting it. Oh, my favorite.
I'm right here.
So I got one of these last time. It wasn't this exact one, but I have them at home. Oh, I love Spy Family. Which ones they have? They have a very They have Smeeskies. I did not know they had Smeeskies. They have hippers. You've got to be joking. Oh my. Okay. We're gonna grab two of these. I'm gonna grab this one instead. I don't know. This one's calling me. Oh, and it's heavy. Okay. I may or may not have a problem. Sissy! Look! got the hippers.
Wait, did you get 3?
I'm getting 2.
It's 3 for 30 though.
Is what?
3 for 30.
Nuh-uh. Really?
I don't know. It's just...
Wait, where? My sister's making me get 3. Give me one. Sneak in and just grab whichever one. Which one do you want? The hipper. Top pink one. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Package is secured. Okay guys, we're home. I'm with my sister-in-law and brother and we're gonna unbox. What should we do first? Which one?
The right one first.
I want Ochako. Actually, they're all, I love them all, so that's a good thing. Froppy, no. Okay, I love them all, but I would really like Ochako because I already have like a little pup over here. I love them all, okay? 1, 2. Oh, it's inside a plat. Whatever this is. I wanted her. So we've got Ochako. She's sick. Okay, let's take her out. I like their size too. I could actually put this inside my PC. That's actually perfect. Yeah, I'm hoping I get Miko on the other one. What the? Okay, I'm gonna figure that out. But this is her. Deku, Endeavor, Aizawa, Chiuraki, Imiko, Toga, and Dabi. My favorite, Imiko. I need her.
Oh, I like this guy.
Dabi? Oh, Eraserhead?
They're all pretty cool except Endeavor. So anyone that you get other than Endeavor.
I like Dabi.
Isn't Endeavor like a deadbeat?
No, he's fixing himself. You haven't seen the newest season. Don't talk shit if you don't know. You're fucking joking. I literally got both of the ones that I wanted. Are you joking? I literally got my girls. I literally have them here. Like, guys, no, actually, I'm in genuine shock because you guys saw in the video, I literally went and just took a one that was deep in the top. I'm so happy. The same series. I wanted a really good chance. So if you guys can't tell, this is the one that I wanted and I still really want. I want to put them up here with the other Sumiski. Thankfully I was able to end up putting it on there, but I really want one of the ones that I can at least put on the monitor. I want either, this is my number 1. I really want that one. Or any of the ones that you can actually see. This is the one that I have right now. Open first. Or you want to see them? Hold it. That's my favorite.
There's 2 butt outs. One has a diaper on.
What? Here are the options, guys. That's what he's
Like
looking
all
at.
of them except the one that's like looking over.
You guys choose which one.
The middle one.
This one?
Which? That one's...
Okay, we're gonna do this. No shake. Okay, let me... I actually have this one. I literally said if I got this one, I'm giving it to them. So they're gonna have this. Here's your child. All right, which one?
Left.
Please be the phone. I just want the phone. I'm sad. I knew that would happen. 3, 2.
Are you serious? Wait,
He's different.
I thought it was the same one. I was like, there's no way.
He would look cute laying flat somewhere, but I don't have something like that. Figure him out. I don't know. We'll see. Please. Please. Best for last. I'm praying you're the phone.
Open box.
Probably. I'm literally praying.
No.
Okay, I'm happy because he can go on my monitor. Yay. Okay, well, this is kind of the haul. And then I got my other one as a dupe, but I gave it away. So these are cute, but we're still in the search for the phone one. Okay guys, so if you didn't know, I only have one RAM stick in there. If you guys were there when I was building my PC, you guys know I had two. One of them ended up being faulty, so I actually haven't had the 32 gigabytes that I was supposed to have for a few months now, but I couldn't just like put them back without actually having another RAM. And for Christmas, I got myself the Corsair Vengeance DDR5 32 gigabytes. I ended up getting these because they didn't actually have RGB. I will place a picture here of what my current setup looks with those RGBs, because the color is pretty different when you have the same color selected for all items. So for aesthetic reasons, I ended up just getting ones without any RGB, but still are white to match the theme. So we're gonna go ahead and install these, and I'm really excited, so let's put them in. And they're so clean. I love them. So obviously my PC is off, so I'm just gonna quickly get that out. And then go ahead and place these. Hold up, they're kind of hard to press in. There we go. Ooh. Alright, so it looks like they're in. So let's see if they're working. Blinking, so I'm assuming there's a problem. So just gonna turn it off. And then I'm gonna flip them, I guess. See if they just go the other way. I think so, but I don't know. Yeah, they all go that way. Okay, yes, yes, yay. And I gotta change, I think I'm gonna just let it run, and then I'm gonna go into the BIOS after. Oh, right there, okay. So the max is 5200, so we're gonna switch that up. The AI tweaker to 5200. Turned on, so nothing better than that. I'm gonna check with the NZXT. She just looks so clean now. Oh, I love her with the just plain white. Looks so good. I'm just gonna let it start up and wait for my NZXT to just pop up. See, fingers crossed. Yee, 32 gigs. We're back to 32 gigabytes, so thumbs up. But I'm so happy that it ended up working. I've been having 16 gigabytes for so long, and I like to run a lot of stuff, like have a lot of tabs open sometimes and different apps open, like if I'm streaming and if I have Spotify open or whatever. It wouldn't caused me issues, but you could tell it's like a lot on the PC. But now we're back to 32 gigabytes, and I'm hoping this one lasts me forever. And yeah, I'm so happy. I feel like it looks so clean and so nice, especially with just the basic whites on there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye guys.